So welcome to the PAC Closet Library coursework. I'm basically going to be covering every possible thing you could need to know about this library. Most of it should be pretty intuitive, right? So a lot of this is drag and drop. There isn't too much thinking involved. Even the manufacturing process is super streamlined. But once in a while, you're going to come across things like, let's say, you want to do a flush toe. Then I will have a video on how to change flush toe. Maybe you don't understand what the baseboard notch is doing, so I'll show you in another video how to modify the baseboard notch. We'll go through pricing. We'll go through some of the nuanced pieces of the library, but as well as videos, you'll also have resources. So please check out the hardware and accessories library. That will be in another video down below. It's just a PDF document. We have pricing guides and we'll have a bunch of other goodies in there for you as well. But thank you again for purchasing the library, and please reach out if you ever have any questions at all. I'm always around to help. I will answer as soon as I possibly can. Thank you.